In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring/automatic investments on Robinhood. So this is where you have a Robinhood stock, but you want to automatically have shares bought or money put into the account to just keep on buying that one stock. So let's go ahead to our Robinhood account, and I'll show you an example that I currently have going, and then I'll show you how to do this. So I'm just going to stay in my regular investing app. And I'm going to pick the stock VOO. And what you're going to do here is once you're here on the actual stock page itself, I'm just going to scroll down. And as you see, it says recurring investments. So I have this set up for every 2 weeks to buy a certain amount of stock depending on the price that I set. So let's go ahead and pick a new stock to do this with. So let's go down to QQQ here. And what we're going to do is scroll down, and under recurring investments, it's going to say create QQQ recurring investment. So go ahead and click that. It's going to ask you what frequency you want. You can have it every market day, every week, every Tuesday, every 2 weeks, every month. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit every 2 weeks. Go ahead and hit continue. And then from here, you want to set a price or a dollar amount of how much stock you want to buy. Now, the good thing about Robinhood is that you do not need to buy full stocks. You can buy fractional shares. So let's just, for this example, set this to, I don't know, maybe $2. Here, let's set this to $2. We'll hit continue. Choose the account that you want the money to come out of. So I'm just going to pick this account here. Go ahead and hit continue. And so this is going to give you a summary to review. And so it says $2 every 2 weeks on Tuesday. It has the account. It's going to start tomorrow and the account that it's going to go into. So go ahead and hit review. And then we're going to go and swipe up to submit. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and set up those recurring automatic investments in Robinhood for stocks. We'll go back to done. And now it automatically changed. So now you'll have that investment coming in every 2 weeks or whatever frequency that you chose. But that's it. Super simple.